Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is aware of everything that takes place. To conclude, I want to remind every single one of us that once upon a time we used to make dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala about something that we so desperately wanted. And it is today that we are enjoying all those du'as that we used to make. Don't ever forget that. With a dua, no matter what your situation is, you feel like that is all doom and gloom, and that there is no hope for you now to become a better person, right? Then remember, you are one dua away, asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the last third of the night, when, my brothers and my sisters, the people are fast asleep. This is the time when Allah comes down in a manner that suits His Majesty. And He says, whoever from amongst you wants something, right? Then let him ask me. Everyone's got a background here. Everyone has a past. Everyone has a history. We were all like that once upon a time. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He showers His blessings upon those who so desperately want change. Make that intention that I am not going to go back to where I came from the same way I entered into this building. I am not going to leave the same way I came into this building. The rahmah of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is so vast. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us from amongst those who become His beloved close servants of His. سبحانك اللهم بحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.